Hey guys, it's recipe time. So today I'm going to make a wrap recipe from our Natural Human Diet Guidebook. This is available on Amazon. I'm using the corn chip recipe to make wraps. I'm modifying it a bit. So with this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of corn instead of 2. That's doubled as well. It calls for 2 bell peppers, and it calls for 2 medjool dates, so I used about 5 of those. And I'm using lemon instead of lime. And here's the ground flax seeds that I ground in my Vitamix. So it's basically 3 cups of corn, 1 cup of flax seeds, 2 bell peppers, 2 medjool dates or 4 or 5 regular dates, and the juice from 1 lemon. Actually 2 lemons. I did the juice of 2 lemons. And it's time to blend. Oh, I did add a little water to help blend it, but the recipe doesn't really call for water. Then I poured it into this bowl. I got this batter-like recipe, and I took my silicone trays here for my dehydrator, and I spread them out. I just like to make little wrap sort of shapes there, so that's how I spread them out. And I put them in the Excalibur dehydrator that I have. I put them in the morning around, say, 10 a.m. So they took about 5 hours in total. Actually, maybe 6. And they're amazing. I just fill them with my salad. And look at that, little salad avocado dressing. And I just load, and some sprouts. I load this wrap up, and it is amazing, so satisfying. Nothing beats a hand salad. So if you want to learn more, we do have our recipe guide on Amazon. It's filled with simple recipes just like this, and they're recipes that will not build health issues. We need to return to our natural human diet if we wish to live amazing life, symptom-free, and heal all our health issues. Life can only get better when we're eating right for our species type, but it does take a bit of knowledge and dedication and definitely willpower living in backwards land. I also share more information in my books, Vital Fuel and Heal Thyself, Embracing Our Natural Diet for Optimal Health. If you want to learn more, feel free to pick up a copy off Amazon. At this time, we have our Natural Human Diet Guidebook on Amazon, our Testimonial Guide on Amazon, and then I have Vital Fuel, Eat Right for Your Species Type, and Heal Thyself, Embracing Our Natural Diet for Optimal Health. Thanks for listening, everyone. Bye!